Welcome to the best picks. The best bracelet maker is probably one of the most fun and creative gadgets I've ever reviewed, allowing you to effortlessly create unique and stylish rubber band bracelets in a matter of minutes. This amazing device simplifies the process, making it accessible to crafters of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced bracelet enthusiasts, and opens up a world of colorful possibilities for expressing your individuality through handmade jewelry. Number 5. Beadery Wonder Loom. It's the ultimate loom for making rubber band bracelets. Let your imagination run wild and create unique designs. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started: 1 wonder loom, a pick tool, 600 latex-free rubber bands, and 24 C-clips. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions, making it perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. It's made with high-quality, latex-free rubber bands, ensuring a safe and enjoyable crafting experience. With 600 colorful rubber bands and your creativity, the possibilities are endless. Make bracelets for yourself, friends, or family. Create unique and stylish bracelets and share your creations with others. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. What we like? It's a classic and user-friendly loom, perfect for beginners. Everything you need to get started is included in one box. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to start making rubber band bracelets, this is the one for you. What people say. It says 8+, and I believe that the age range is on target. A very crafty 7-year-old can probably enjoy this too. The bands are sturdy. Only one band broke while making a bracelet. The kit comes with everything you need to start creating: the loom, a hook, a bag of rubber bands in a variety of colors, and C-hooks. It also includes instructions for 2 basic patterns and how to lengthen your creation, as well as a QR code for more patterns. The loom is designed so that it is easy to maneuver the hook close to the pegs, making it easier to hook the rubber bands. Setting up the Wonder Loom was easy, and the quality is impressive. It's sturdy enough to withstand my son's energetic crafting sessions. The bands stay in place, making the whole bracelet making process a breeze for him. Number 4. Rainbow Loom Mega Combo Set. It's the Rainbow Loom Mega Combo Set. Get ready for hours of fun creating colorful bracelets and more. With thousands of bands and everything you need, it's the ultimate crafting kit. This set includes over 7,000 latex-free rubber bands in 21 vibrant colors, plus clips, a loom, a hook, and gift bags. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient carrying case. It comes with step-by-step instructions for making 2 unique bracelets. The included loom and hook make it simple to master the techniques, whether you're a kid or an adult. These aren't your average rubber bands. They're made from high-quality, durable, latex-free rubber, so your creations will last. The vibrant colors stay bright, too. It's a fantastic gift for kids aged 7 and up. It's a fun and engaging activity that helps develop fine motor skills and boosts creativity. Get ready to share your creations with friends and family. What we like? This set boasts a huge number of rubber bands in tons of colors. It comes with a handy case for easy storage and organization. If you need a large quantity of bands and enjoy a wide range of color choices, this is the ideal option for you. What people say. The colors of the bands are vibrant, pretty, and fun, and we love the variegated bands, too. The clever tool that helps make the more complex designs was easy to use with the clear directions included. The quality is great, very easy to figure them out with the directions. Great variety of colors. Good quality. The loom is deep and made strong without issues. Number 3. Cra-Z-Art Cra-Z-Loom. It's the ultimate rubber band loom. Get ready to make stunning bracelets and more with this complete kit. It includes everything you need: a loom, 600 colorful rubber bands, emoji beads, S-hooks, a weaving hook, and easy instructions. Create single, double, or even triple loop bracelets. The possibilities are endless. Make bracelets, necklaces, rings, whatever you can imagine. Let your creativity shine. It's simple to learn and fun to use. Even beginners can create amazing rubber band accessories. It's made with high-quality, latex-free rubber bands for safe and comfortable crafting. This kit is a fantastic gift for kids aged 8 and up who love arts and crafts. It's hours of fun. What we like? It's super easy to use and includes fun extras like emoji beads. You can make various bracelet styles with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. If you want to explore different bracelet designs and add some personality, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The different colors and the durability of the bands is top-notch. Lots of rubber bands included plus design instructions for different types of bracelet weaves. The loom is sturdy easy to use, and the clasps work pretty well. The loom bands are great quality. Number 2. JIYAKO 2500 Plus Bracelet Kit. This kit has everything you need to start making bracelets. It's packed with colorful rubber bands, clips, beads, and tools. With 2500 plus rubber bands, plus clips, beads, and more, you have all the materials you need to create amazing bracelets. It even comes in a convenient storage case. The included storage case keeps everything neat and organized. Each color of rubber band has its own compartment, helping you stay tidy. It's a great gift for birthdays or holidays. It sparks creativity, builds confidence, and is tons of fun. This is a fantastic way to spend quality time with family and friends. It's a fun and engaging activity for all ages. Making bracelets helps develop fine motor skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. It's a rewarding experience from start to finish. What we like. It includes a fantastic storage case to keep everything neat and tidy, plus tons of extra accessories. It makes a wonderful gift for creative kids. If you value organization and want a complete kit with lots of extras, this is an excellent choice. Number 1. XKDOUS Rubber Band Bracelet Kit. It's time to get creative with this amazing rubber band bracelet kit. With so many colors to choose from, the possibilities are endless. This kit comes with 24 different colors of rubber bands. You'll have everything you need to make unique and colorful bracelets. With over 1,400 rubber bands included, it's perfect for making tons of bracelets or sharing with friends. It's designed for kids ages 6 and up, making it simple and fun to create beautiful bracelets. Let your imagination run wild. This kit provides hours of fun and creative expression. It's a great way to keep kids entertained and engaged. Looking for a fun and creative gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. It offers a good variety of colors at a budget-friendly price. It's a great basic kit to get started. If you're on a budget and want a good selection of colors, this is a solid option. What people say. It came with everything you need to get started. The little case it came with is nice because it keeps everything separated and organized. This includes everything you need to make bracelets, including the little prongs so you don't have to do it on your fingers. This makes it better for kids and adults both. Great color assortment as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.